Hybrid dual drivers, LDAC high-res audio, powerful active noise canceling, multi-point connectivity, customizable EQ, and even AI tools built right into the app. These are the TOZO Golden X1s, and they might just surprise you. Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by TOZO, and we're checking out the Golden X1 Hybrid active noise canceling earbuds. Now, I've been using these every day for the past week, during my gym sessions, editing, running errands, and during my commute, and I wanted to give you a real breakdown on how they've held up. Now, when I first opened the case, the design immediately felt incredibly premium. These earbuds are shaped to match the natural curve of your inner ear, and that slight stem makes them easy to adjust when you're putting them in or taking them out. They come with 6 different silicone ear tip sizes, so getting a tight seal is pretty easy. And once I found the right fit, they sat comfortably and stayed secure, especially during longer walks and when moving around. The buds also come with an IPX6 water resistance rating, which covers sweat, rain, splashes, and you can even rinse them off lightly if you need to clean them. And if they ever do get wet, TOZO has a built-in water drainage feature that pushes moisture out of the drivers, which is super convenient. Now let's talk about the active noise canceling, because that's one of the biggest selling points here too. They use a hybrid ANC system with a triple microphone setup in each earbud to detect and cancel noise. I tested them in a few noisy spots, a cafe, at home, with the dog barking and things like that, and they cut down a ton of the background noise. The active noise canceling is actually certified for up to 42 decibels of noise reduction, which felt really competitive to what I get with my AirPods Pro 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. They also have a transparency mode, which I always appreciate, whether I'm ordering food, crossing the street, or just talking to someone without having to take the earbuds out. It's really convenient, and everything sounds incredibly natural here, not robotic or overly processed. Okay, now for the sound quality. This is where it's very surprising because each earbud has a hybrid dual driver setup, a Knowles balanced armature paired with a 12mm carbon nanotube dynamic driver. This combination is going to give you deep bass, clear mids, crisp highs, and the soundstage just feels wider than most earbuds in this category. Now, one of the main selling points here is the fact that it has LDAC, and if you want the best audio quality, you'll have to enable that in the TOZO app. And that works in conjunction with their Orange X Pro tuning, which is just going to give you a fantastic listening experience. And the app also gives you a lot of control. You can switch between noise cancellation, transparency, wind reduction, leisure mode, or set your own custom ANC level from 1 to 10. There are also dozens of equalizer presets, plus a custom 10-band equalizer if you want to fine-tune everything yourself. Now, of course, we have the AI features and multipoint. In the AI tab on the app, you get some pretty unique features like meeting recording, real-time translation, face-to-face translation, and even an AI chat mode, all using the earbuds microphones. You're also getting multipoint connectivity, so you can connect the Golden X1s to 2 devices at the same time, which is great if you're switching between your phone and a laptop. My favorite feature in the app is the touch control customization, because just like on their NC9s, you can set what every tap, double tap, or long press does on each earbud. Every function is customizable, and it works on both Android and iOS. Watching videos and movies is fantastic too. There's a low latency mode that keeps everything in sync, and I didn't experience any delay between the audio and what I was watching, which is still something that a lot of earbuds in this category still can't get right. I did also take a few calls with them to test the environmental noise cancellation, and thanks to the 6 total microphones on there, everyone I talked to said I sounded clear, even with people passing by or in the gym with the machine sounding in the back. The battery life is also incredibly solid. You get up to 8 hours on a single charge and around 32 hours with the case. And when it's time to recharge the case itself, you can either use USB-C or Qi wireless charging. The case also has an indicator on the outside to show the battery level and an LED readout on the inside that displays the exact charge percentage of the earbuds. Overall, they're fantastic earbuds. The links to the TOZO Golden X1s are in the description down below and in the pinned comment if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye. TOZO, just for good sound.